Hey there, health-conscious folks and juice enthusiasts. Today, we've got something that's going to make your mornings a whole lot brighter, the Housnat juicer machine. If you've been longing for a quick and easy way to incorporate fresh, nutritious juices into your daily routine, then you're in for a treat. This juicer is about to become your new best friend in the kitchen. Imagine this, you wake up in the morning, and within seconds, you have a glass of fresh, vibrant juice ready to kickstart your day. The Housnat juicer is here to make that a reality. It's not just any juicer, it's a powerhouse that can transform your fruits and veggies into liquid gold in just 10 seconds. Are you intrigued? Well, keep watching because we're about to dive deep into what makes this juicer a game changer. Fresh juice in seconds. Let's start with the most impressive feature, the speed. The 400W motor is a force to be reckoned with, effortlessly turning your fruits and veggies into juice within seconds. Whether you're dealing with soft fruits or hard vegetables like carrots and beets, this juicer handles them all like a champ. The 65mm large feed chute means minimal prep work, so you can have fresh juice even on your busiest mornings. 3-speed choices. Not all fruits and veggies are created equal, and neither are their juicing needs. That's where the Housnat juicer shines with its 3-speed adjustable settings. Whether you're dealing with soft or hard ingredients, this juicer has you covered. The centrifugal force works its magic, separating the pulp through tiny holes in the strainer, leaving you with pure, nutrient-rich juice. Need an extra boost? Just press the P button, and when you release your finger, it goes back to its normal speed. Food-grade healthy material, your health is a priority, and the Housnat juicer understands that. It's constructed with food-grade materials, including 304 stainless steel components. The anti-corrosion sharp blade and precision filter ensure that you're getting the best of your fruits and vegetables. In fact, up to 35% of the juice and 45% of the vitamins and minerals are extracted, giving you the maximum health benefits. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Nobody wants a messy kitchen after making a delicious juice. That's why this juicer comes with an anti-drip function that prevents juice from spilling and keeps your countertop clean. But what's even better is that all the detachable parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. And for those nooks and crannies, there's a cleaning brush included in the package. It's hassle-free and convenient. Purchased with no worries, we've got some icing on the cake here. The Housnat juicer comes with a 1.6 liters pulp collector, so you won't have to make countless trips to the dustbin. The foam protector takes care of removing foam manually, so you can enjoy a silky smooth juice. Plus, they've thrown in a delicious recipe guide for both juicing beginners and pros. And if you ever have questions or need assistance, there's 24-hour friendly customer service to back you up. In conclusion, the Housnat juicer machine is a game changer for anyone looking to add fresh, nutritious juices to their daily routine. With its lightning-fast juicing, multiple speed settings, food-grade materials, easy cleaning, and worry-free purchase perks, it's a must-have kitchen appliance. If you're ready to embrace a healthier lifestyle and enjoy delicious homemade juices effortlessly, click the link in the description below to make this juicer yours today. Don't miss out on the opportunity to supercharge your mornings with fresh juices. Click that link and let the Housnat juicer be your daily dose of health and vitality. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to a juicier, healthier you.